Hi everyone and welcome back to Ben's Kitchen. Yep, I'm back home again. And so today I'm finishing up making the green hatch chili cardamom garlic hot sauce. So I have it here in this glass thing, so I'm just gonna drain it. And just drain all that liquid off and get all the solids here in the blender. I need two hands, so I will show you that. I'm using a high-speed blender. I love this Vitamix. Just 10 speed with a turbo. It's called high or variable. Yeah, we'll blend this on up and it'll be super tasty, I hope. So I have it all drained. There's the liquid that I'll be using to blend it. And in here you can see I have some bay leaves. There's one and there's a second one hiding somewhere in here. I'm obviously not going to blend those. Those are like wood. They're like literal leaves. But they add a nice savory flavor. You know, put them in chili, put them in rice, put them in hot sauce. You can do whatever. Don't put them in cookies. That'd be gross. So yeah, I'm just going to put these in there again. I'll show you that. So here are the peppers and the Vitamix with the garlic. And I bought a half a cup of the brine. I have a lot more, as you can see. It's always better to add too little and add a little bit more until you get the right consistency. Because if you add too much of the brine, you'll lose some of the intensity on the flavor. That's just no bueno. Also, you can see I'm wearing a glove. Whenever handling spicy like peppers or whatever, I always try to wear gloves because if I don't wash my hands well enough, or if I don't even wash them, if I forget, and I touch my eyes or anything like that, it can be really, really painful. So always wear gloves when handling spicy peppers. It's a smart idea. So I'll blend this up, but I won't show you that because it's super duper loud and I don't want to hurt your ear. So here it is all blended. Green, and the top green. It's kind of an ugly color. But again, also right now it's pretty aerated from the being in the blender. I blended it on the very highest speed that this could do for about half a minute, and that should really get it. I didn't want it to get too hot because the friction from these high-speed blenders can actually heat soup almost to a boiling point. And so now, not a totally necessary step, but I'm going to put it through the sieve again into this bowl just to make sure it's really nice and smooth. And get out any of the chunks if there are any left. So here are all the solids. There's all the liquid. Really gross color, I know. I'm so sorry. The liquid will look better as it kind of unaerates. I don't know if that's a thing. But anyways, it tastes really good. It's pretty salty. So if I marketed this as like a hot sauce, I'd probably call it like the salty green monster or something like that. I don't know. That's just like a first name that I came up with. Probably a pretty bad idea. Anyways, here it is. I'll show you once it's in the woozy bottle. That's what those little hot sauce bottles are called. Fun fact. I learned that from Brad Leone back at Bon Appetit. Also, as you see, I use a sieve. I think everyone should have a sieve. I love them. I use them for all sorts of things. Fine mesh strainer, whatever you call it. Super good. Anyways, there's the hot sauce. Salty, delicious, amazing. Dun 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 brum bum. Dun 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 brum bum. Ba 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 ba. That's some hot sauce. Oh my god. Yep, well, there's the hot sauce. It's a nice green color. It looks weirdly yellow on this camera, but it's pretty green. It's like a standard green salsa hot sauce color. Yeah, thank you for watching this episode of Ben's Kitchen where I make some freaking salty, delicious green hot sauce. Made with hatch chilies, cardamom, garlic, bay leaves, a little bit of onion powder, and just a touch of jalapenos. Yum.